y'all doing? Are you guys good? Because I'm back with another makeup video. Yes, I am. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Me and I'm over here bringing beauty to your screen. You already know the vibes. You already know. I don't have to tell you. Already know. Yeah. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. If this is your first time of seeing my face, hi, nice to meet you. I'm Marian. So in today's video, guys, by the title, you already know, makeup for beginners. Just something simple, something straight to the point. A lot of people that keep saying, I don't know how to do makeup, I don't know how to do makeup, I don't know how to do this, I'm going to show you step by step. So first off, I'm going to start off. I've already gone ahead to moisturize my face. I moisturize my face with this from Simple. This product is actually very nice. I'm going to go in now with my primer. You already know, Flawless Ivy. I'm going to apply this all over my face. Like I told you guys earlier, it's a step by step process. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieved a simple look. I'm concentrating on the people that want to learn, basically learn how to do a full makeup on themselves. So I'm going to try to make this video as short and detailed as possible, so you know what you're doing. Okay, so now my primer has been applied. I like using my hands for my primer, so that has been applied. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is for beginners, so it's expected that you don't have a lot of products or you don't even know what products to get, so that's what I'm doing, just primer. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This foundation, I like it because it actually has a very good coverage, so I'll highly recommend this one because it's actually very good. So all you have to do is just, like, can you say, just a little, and it goes a long way when it comes to this. It goes a long way. So this is it. This is the foundation coverage. Okay, moving on to concealer now. I'm going to use this concealer from Zara. It's actually very lightweight. It's a very light concealer. I'm going to apply it like here. If you notice, I'm not doing a lot. I'm not putting too much because I think this concealer has a very good coverage and it's lightweight, so I'm not blending it out immediately. I'm going to leave it and let it sit a bit before I blend it out. But while that is setting, I'm going to go in with my contour. So I'm going using this conceal eye and contour. If you notice in my last video, I used this light shade and I'm almost out. This is a dark shade. I usually buy light and dark when I'm buying products. So when I'm done here now, I'm going to go to my nose area, and then this is quite easy to blend. Actually, it's quite easy to blend. Okay, now I'm going to go to my under eye. So I'm using the other side. I haven't touched foundation or anything for my under eye. So if you actually have like a dark under eye, you can go in with a corrector first. This is what a corrector looks like. I'm going to go in now with my setting powder. I'm using the setting powder from Avo, and a little bit, and a little bit here. Notice I'm trying to dust off the excess because I don't want it to make my face look too baked and all. So I'm going in with this pencil. If you know Davis, you know Davis have saved people's life since time immemorial. So always make sure your pencil is properly sharpened. You see how tiny the tip is? Yeah. So I'm just going to start from here. Just follow the line. Just follow the line. Your brows have a particular shape. Whether it's like this, whether it's somehow C, it has a particular shape. Just follow the line, especially for the lower part and the upper part if you want to get a good brow. Basically, follow the line like this. Are you seeing? I'm following where my hair stopped down there. You stop just right there because it has to be basically like this and like this. Do you get? Now you go for the upper part like this. Join. You don't have to do a lot. Just join that there, cover it up, darken it a bit, Then come back to the front. You can actually use your pencil, so do like strokes in front if you want to do strokes in front to make it look a bit more natural. You can just do that and then go back in with your brush and do this so it all blends out. Take that one off. Yeah, are you saying you like that's all? That's how brows are done. That's all. If you feel it's not long enough, then you can go back and extend it. Shake it out. I'm going to do the same for the other side. I'm going to use this from Kylie Cosmetics. I've had this in the longest. I'm going in with the brown one, this one, and a little bit of black. This brown now, just like this. Get that brown again and give this place a very good, see how that's coming out. Notice I'm focusing on the edge a lot because this is actually a very simple look, so I don't want it to be too much. This is it. I'm going back in with the black one now. I'm taking it out again, going back in with the black. I'm taking it out again. Okay. Now guys, can you see how it looks like? So I'm going to go in with this for my eyelids. I just wanted something that has a little bit of shimmer to it, so that's why I'm using this. I don't want to put a lot, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Brown, black, and then a little bit of shimmer. Can you see that? I don't want anything over the top. I'll be using this from CPD. I got this a while back, so I tend to just mix when I'm doing this, whichever one as a spirit it's more like. I tend to just mix, but I'm going for something very simple, so I'm not going to use a lot. Just something very simple. Here. I like to take my blush up a bit. Are you seeing that definition is given? Yeah, just up. I'm going to use a smaller brush now. This is a 310. They broke off. So I'm going to use this nose thing. Yeah. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm going to be using from this Care. I've had this for the longest of time. So I'm just going to go in with these two colors. They kind of fit. So I just like mix, blend it all together. And then I like starting from here just to see what it looks like on my skin first here before moving it up. I also tend to apply on my contour and blush that I've already applied earlier, because obviously I don't want that to be the first thing you see. So I tend to use this to cover it out. And I'm going with my under eye just to take out those excess. And then I'm doing the same for the other side. Doing the same for the other side. Just to brush out the excess contour powder. And now to my nose. I see how that would just blend. I'm going in with the pink one alone. Can you see that? I don't really do a lot when it comes to my makeup. I like to keep it simple. My last makeup was a bit dramatic because I think I got carried away in the whole talk and I was just going, like it was just flowing. I was just going. But this one I'm a little bit in control because I'm giving a proper tutorial. Then I'm going in my lipstick. This lipstick is from Classic. I have a lot of Classic products. I'm going with this Classic now, just a little bit here. Already applied my lashes. I'm going in again with Dara. You know, Face Definer 631. Setting spray. This is how it turned out at the end of the day, guys. I hope this was helpful for a beginner, for someone that does not know where to start, you don't know what to do. In this video, I showed you how to contour, how to highlight, how to apply eyeshadow, how to apply lipstick, how to even draw your brows. This is more than 5 in 1, but let's just say 5 in 1 because I just listed out 5 things. So I hope this video was helpful. I know it's quite simple and all, but I hope it was helpful. Okay, for a beginner, if you do this, I will be very, very proud of you and very, very happy for you, because you are on your way to doing great things. Okay, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.